Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make money just by searching Google, just by visiting websites. So even if you're an absolute beginner, you never done anything like this in your life, you can make money with this method because you will be paid to do what you do every day. And best thing about this method is it is absolutely free. You don't have to invest any money. So with that being said, let's start. And the company that will pay us to search Google is called SERPclicks. Now, SERP stands for Search Engine Ranking Position. And if you're wondering, well, why in the world would anybody pay me to visit websites? Well, people who have websites and wish to improve their ranking on Google, they will come to this website here and they will pay you to search specific keyword on Google and to visit their website. And that will improve their ranking on Google, and that means they will start getting more free traffic from Google. And that is why they will pay you to visit their website. And here you can see they have more information. Here you can see real traffic from real humans. Here you can see they work with SEO, Moz, and WordStream. Here you can see some proofs. Here you can see some testimonials, how much it will cost you and stuff like that. Here you can see frequently asked questions. That is important. You should always read frequently asked questions. Here you can see CTR optimization is vital for SEO. In one of my previous videos, I actually told you that click-through rate or CTR is important on Google. And here you can see it is vital for SEO. And here you can see more information about that. But this is their homepage. That is actually their sales page. It is intended for the people who wish to buy traffic. We are not that. We wish to sell traffic. We wish to visit websites and to get paid. So you need to scroll here down on the bottom and you need to click here on Become a Clicker. Okay? And here you can get more information. Get paid to visit websites. Here you can see you can earn from 5 to 10 cents for every website that you visit. Here you can earn 10% from referral commission. Minimum payout is $5, which means you need to earn at least $5 before you ask for a payment. Online since 2016. In internet age, that is actually a long time. And also, there is currently 530 people online on this website. And also, when you go on Trustpilot, here you can see that only 56 people reviewed this website, but they got on average 4.3 star, which means this is actually a trusted website. That is a good ranking. And when you go back here you can see more information. Here you can see Firefox extension. Now you need to use Mozilla Firefox and you need to install extension on that Mozilla because these guys need to follow, did you actually finish the job? Like I said, your job will be to search specific keyword on the Google and to visit specific website and stay 30, 60, 120 seconds on that website, maybe even to click on some links on that website to visit some pages, and with the help of that Firefox extension, SERPclicks will confirm that you actually did the job and you will be automatically added 5 or 10 cents for doing that. No application required. Anyone from any country will be accepted to this website. So no matter where you live, you can register on this website and you can start making money just by searching Google. Here you can see payments are made via PayPal. And as we saw here, minimum payout is $5. But payments are made once per month, which means they're actually made first in month. February 1st, March 1st, April 1st, May 1st, and so on and so on. But you must earn at least $5 before you get paid, okay? Now, to register, just click here to join the network, and you need to add your email, your password, you need to add your PayPal email, you need to confirm your PayPal email, and where did you hear about us? It is optional, but you can add it if you want. Click here, submit, and you need to confirm your email and you will be automatically approved and you can start making money by searching Google. It is that simple, it is that easy. But to be honest with you, you probably won't make fortune with this website. You will probably make $40, $50, maybe $60 per month, which is not that much, right? But what you need to do, you need to go on Google and you need to find at least 10 websites like SERPclicks, and you need to register on all 10 websites. And if you work just 1 or 2 hours per day, you can earn $400, $500, maybe even $600 per month totally free just by searching Google. But like I said, you need to join to at least 10 websites like this in order to make those $500, $600 per month. So this is how you make money just by searching Google.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.